Hi, this is Dan DeShane from Lake Country Toyota. I have a BraunAbility van here for you. This is a 2020 Sienna XLE. This one happens to have 20,000 miles on it. If you're not familiar with the BraunAbility vans, these are wheelchair accessible vans. So very cool van. We can also find new ones for you if you're looking for a new one, but this will be a great alternative for you. Check it out. All right, this is a BraunAbility conversion on a Sienna XLE. This particular one has 20,000 miles on it. If you're not familiar with the BraunAbility vans, they're wheelchair accessible vans. Very cool conversions, and I'll give you kind of a walkthrough of how all that stuff works. They are done by Cummins Mobility as well, so we can broker one for you. You can go through them as well if you like. They're one of the best mobility vans that you can get out there by far. This one will be priced on our website, so if you'd like to know more about it, this is a one owner. You can go right on the link in the video and check it out. All right, with the BraunAbility van, you have your keyless entry, and you'll notice the suspension will move a little bit with this when this comes down to bring this ramp down so you can get in and out of the vehicle a little bit easier. Once inside the van, you do have anchors for the wheelchair, and you also have the ability to move these seats forward and back, up and down, to make it easier for them to get out of their wheelchair, get into a seat, and then move back up front. Really a great feature. From inside the van, once you're inside, you can hit these buttons right here. The ramp will come up, and the door will close. This is an XLE van, so they do have power sliding doors on both sides with your window shades as well. This van does have 20,827 for miles on it. Big color touch display. This is a 2020 model. You do have tri-zone cooling. It does have built-in navigation. You also have, Bluetooth audio. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This one does have a programmable garage door opener. This does have heated seats, power outlet, USB, and an audio jack for any type of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay for the plug-in there, or plug it in your iPod. 12 volt. You also have your 2.1 amp USB chargers, and then there's also a converter built in on these as well. These can be a very expensive conversion, so a used one is a great option for somebody looking for a mobility van. If you'd like to know more about it, you can click on the links in the video there. It'll bring you to the website. It also brings you to the Carfax. You can also reach me direct at 218-264-4040. Thanks again for your interest, and have a great day.